So I literally have nothing to film or make videos out of or whatever. But so today, well, if I post this on Thursday. On Wednesday, I bought squishies and I just wanted to show you what I got. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So in this bag, I have all of my squishies in here. I got them all from the kawaii store or like the souvenir shop. I think that's what it's originally called, but it has like really like cute stuff in there. So me and my friends, we just call it the kawaii shop. Okay, so I bought like a couple of things I want to count, but they total up for like about let's say $15. I think. I have no idea. Okay, so first I have this milk bottle. It's a reproduced one. And yeah. Here's how it looks like. It has a little cell phone strap. It has little measuring marks. It's black and white, the original cow. Super squishy. So the next one I got was also a milk bottle, but this one's purple. So it's the same thing, but this one's a little bit harder, but it's like squishier. Okay, so I have two of these. Well, I originally already have one of this. So, I got two panda buns. One of the original version. Very polarizing. It's sticky. And the second version is the one with the cute little bow. So this is a girl. It's very squishy too. Okay, next I also have a panda bun, but then like noticed about that. My phone died, now it's charging. But anyways, continuing, I have this pink panda bun. It is as squishy as the original buns, I guess. For the last one, I got this egg bun, or like, it was supposed to be yellow, but then like, I only could find the pink ones. The yellow ones already are bought. So here it is. That these supposed to be white. It's a cute little face. It has like little words on the bottom. And it's super squishy. Okay, so that's all I have for today, and bye!